Hey guys, welcome back. Today I am reacting to another video. I don't know, you know what, last time I reacted to slime fails and it was really fun. And a lot of you guys left your suggestions down below. One of those was reacting to oddly satisfying videos. I love these reaction videos, just like any type. So comment down below, what should I react to next? So we're just gonna go ahead and get straight into it. Satisfying videos, I love. I mean, I'm into the slime and all that, so I'm all about the satisfying videos, honey. Okay, let's go. Backwards, right? It's like going backwards. Hey. Girl, hey? I'm just kidding. Hush puppies? I'm just kidding. I don't know what to say. Husky? Hustle! Oh god. Okay, that's not satisfying. That's scary. What the heck? What is that? Let's jump on to another video. I don't know, not gonna lie, I'm like, I want something more fun. Ooh, this one looks cool. What the, are those eggs? It's a dumpling, right? Whoa. This is what I'm talking about. Oh wow. What the heck? This is so cool. I want one. I feel so relaxed. Postmates is here. Just got my Postmates. I'm sorry, but your girl is hungry. Grubhub, potato. It's a burger with an egg and all kinds of stuff in there, honey. This is cool. What? I want to make that. Whoa. Oh my god. Is that slime? No. Oh god, I thought it was slime. That was good. Whoa. That's crazy. And this video is boring. Oh my god. That looks painful. That does not look satisfying. How the heck? Is this fake? My brain's trying to process it. Is it fast forwarded or? This could make you fall asleep. Is that slime? Wait, it's not slime? That's not slime? So pretty. Oh my gosh, that's satisfying. But once they stop, like, they're gonna fall. How are they just gonna stop that? This is dangerous! And once they make it stop, they're all gonna literally fall. Oh, it's floating. Why am I drooling? It's tape. I don't... I am so satisfied. I really am. I'm like watching this. There's not much reaction because you're just so relaxed. You're like, wow, you know? Ooh. Is this ice cream? Oh my god, I have to try that. I'm taking a picture of this. Looks like a cool hack. Oh my god, that looks so good. I'm just getting hungry. I'm not falling asleep. He's gonna burn his pants off. I'm not focusing on the satisfaction. I'm worried for some of these people. That looks amazing. I have the chills. Whoa. Well, that's a big one. What the heck? That's a car. Is this real? That looks amazing. What is he burning? I'm asking too many questions. I should just let it satisfy me, you know, but just I have too many questions. Over this video, over her. I don't know, I feel like they all have a vibe or like a style to them, and I'm not crazy about all of them. Oh my god. I just realized it's turning into ice because it's so cold. I don't know why I thought it was shooting out ice and then I realized it's water, but it's turning into ice cubes. What the? What? Oh my god, it turns into noodles. What? Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Oh my god, this is so cool. Oh my god, those look like rice cakes. What is that? What is that? Somebody please comment down below. This is not satisfying to me. This actually stresses me out because it's so small, like the amounts. I mean, I guess it's kind of satisfying. Dang, this is so satisfying. Oh my god, is this... They did surgery on a grape? No, huh? Oh no, surgery on a grape is different. Okay, I found some. Whoa! Whoa. Oh my, okay, I would hate that. I would hate that so much. I would not be able to live like that. Where'd he go? Where'd he go? This is a thing. Why? Why is it a thing? This stresses me out. Oh my god. How? Oh my god, I don't like these. They stress me out. Ooh, I see slime. I need my slime. Oh, big one. Oh, no more slime. Genius. I've seen this. I saw on Natalie's outlet, she tried the printer on her nails. That's crazy. It looks really cool. I want one of these. I want one. I want to try it. I love that. Wait, that's how you wash those? I never thought about washing them ever. I thought they were never washed. I don't know. That's disgusting, but I didn't know there was a machine to wash those. That's crazy. I don't like that. Glass breaking. Anxiety. I love this. I just love when something's so dirty. Like these videos where it's dirty and then it's super clean. When they're cleaning it, it's just so satisfying. How? We're gonna look at one more video. What the heck? What? Hold on. What just happened? What? Oh, I love these. I love this. I want to try this. Oh, I thought it was going to make a nice little hand mold. That looks like slime and I want to put my hands in it, but I'm pretty sure it's freaking hot. Yeah, that's glass, right? That's not tortillas, right? No, I think that's rice sheets. It's a good tortilla hack though. For your tortillas at home, honey. That looks like a good hack. Hello, Mom. I just made your life so much easier. Is that cheese? No. That's not cheese, right? Oh, what the what? I want to take a nap. What the heck? I'm so confused. What the? Okay, that last one was really weird. I think I've had enough of satisfying stuff today. I feel tired. I don't know if it's been a long day. I'm just like tired. I feel actually relaxed after that. That was really satisfying, but let me know what you think. Are you satisfied watching this? Is it weird? Because I'm just like mesmerized. Like I don't know. I didn't even know how to react. I was just like I don't know. That was a fun little video. This is so random because like how do you react to this? You're falling asleep. It's so freaking satisfying. Let me know which one was your favorite. Are you asleep? Comment down below. I'm just kidding. What do you guys think about me reacting to scary stuff later or something? Maybe next time. Something more. Boom! In your face. You know, we want to get some real reactions out here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Comment down below what y'all want to see next. I love you guys. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!